Okay, now before we go ahead with this our analysis, if you've not actually subscribed, I want you to just subscribe, like, and also comment if you find this video helpful. Let's see this our Swiss franc to our JPY on our daily time frame. We are to see zoom out. We are actually on an uptrend move on our Swiss franc to our JPY. By the way, you can see we are actually going uptrend, but now we are seeing something here. Probably our price is starting to range within this area here. So how we alight this area, we can see that our price actually hit this our resistance level. It came down, hit this our support level, and it came down, hit this our resistance level. Now we've seen that drop to hit this our support level. If this price is actually ranging as we are seeing it to be, or what we are trying to see to be, we will very much likely see a bullish move up to this our resistance level again. Now the reason why I said is that we will probably be seeing a bullish move on our Swiss franc to our JPY. We would want to be seeing a drop on our JPY this week. Now let's take a look at it like this. Our JPY index, this is it. We are actually on a downward trend on the daily time frame. You can see the long time, and we can see that our JPY index has actually been ranging within this area. You can see our JPY index came, hit our resistance level, came, fell, hit our support level. It also came up, hit our resistance level. It came down, hit our support level. Now it has come here to hit our resistance level. What are we waiting for? A drop again. That is exactly what we are waiting for this week, a drop on our JPY index. So once we start having that drop on our JPY, then our Swiss franc will very much give us that bullish move we are aiming for to hit our resistance level. And another reason why we're very much likely to see a drop is, let's sit on by this way on our JPY index. We can see this bullish move, right? You can see this retracement. Now our price has gone very much bullish, right? And when we have this huge movement upward, at least we should be waiting for a pullback. If this is to be an uptrend move, very much likely we will be getting a pullback, and we are yet to have it. So once we start having this pullback, as we are waiting for it to happen, or what we are expecting to happen on our JPY index, then our Swiss franc will actually give us that bullish move. So two ways that is that our JPY index will be falling. One, it has hit our resistance level, one, which will be having a drop. Secondly, if it was to be an uptrend move, we will be expecting a pullback, which will be bearish, right? Let's see a pullback at least to this level. That is about 100 plus pips. If we are to have the pullback to this level, to this our previous higher highs, that will be at least 100 plus pips. And if not, if you are to have the pullback, this bearish move to this our low, our support level, that would be about 200 pips. So our JPY index, we are expecting a fall. Once we start having that fall on our JPY, then our Swiss franc to our JPY will give us that bullish move. So this week we are expecting our Swiss franc to our JPY to start going bullish. So if we are to take this buy, I'll probably say once we start seeing an uptrend move on our 30-minute time frame, then it is a good time to if you have to watch on my analysis, I'll say once we start seeing multiple break or structure upward on our 30-minute time frame, we are very much likely to go start taking our buy. And guess what? We start having this multiple break or structure upward. You can see these higher highs, higher lows, another higher highs here. We can see these higher lows. Very soon we will be breaking this, and if possibly probably on Monday or Tuesday we break this, then you can take your buy position at this level. And if you want to take your buy at the opening of the market, then it's still fine, because this week we are aiming for a bullish move on our Swiss franc to our JPY.